Spectacular sceneries, beautiful lawns, roadside plantation. Seems like a mini tank bund welcomes you heartfully. It is none other than village Pattipaka, located in Peddapalli district at Dharmaram Mandal. You can see green and clean streets. We are entering to Zilla Parishad High School, Pattipaka. The different types of imaginative activities done by teamwork. The captain of this is Headmaster Dr. P.M. Sheikh. Under his guidance, the development has been taking place, along with the heartful cooperation of staff, students, and well-wishers, putting efforts to become one of the greenery school in the district. Little kids are coming joyfully for all-round development to become the good citizen of India. It is the school with homely, clean and green atmosphere. The teachers along with students and midday meals workers planting, watering and taking care of kitchen garden. In this school, the students, apart from acquiring education, they are also taking nutritious, healthy and hygienic food from kitchen garden set by school team. They are getting regularly vegetables like lady's finger, bottle gourd, tomato, chilli, brinjal, etc. Most of the students are at the risk of iron deficiency. In a routine blood test, anemia is reported as a low hemoglobin percentage. So, the headmaster and teachers decided to give food supplement to increase the hemoglobin percentage in blood. They planted leafy vegetable garden. Curry leaves are good supplement to increase the hemoglobin. So, every day in midday meals, a teaspoon of curry leaves powder is the first bit of their meals. A compost pit is also arranged to produce biodegradable fertilizers. Parents got inspired and implemented in their respective homes. Gardening is the practice of growing and cultivating plants. Many people consider it as a relaxing activity. Look at this fruit garden, an innovative activity by the students and teachers with different types of fruit trees such as papaya, sapota, mango, pomegranate, banana, etc. are planted. Gardening is any way that humans and nature come together with the intent of creating beauty, which can be seen in this flower garden. This floral garden, which inspired the district higher officials, political leaders and parents. There are nearly 30 varieties of flowering plants. Every day in the morning, we can hear the chirping of birds with colorful butterflies. It is rightly said, gardens are the lungs of towns and cities. There is something unique which cannot be seen anywhere, but here the school premises is in rocky area. So the management planned to make rock garden with different colorful stones in an artful manner. You can enjoy by watching it. The special attraction of this is hanging garden with many climbers in one of the corner. The last but not the least is the attractive, thoughtful and memorable birthday garden. The main motto of this garden is to plant a plant by every student on their birthdays. To know the customs and culture of our country, the HMs are arranged North India educational tour for a week from Patipaka to Vaga border and also participated in the lowering of flag ceremony, which is the daily military practice. The school often conducts parents-teachers meeting to discuss about the all-round development of the child. And appreciations has made the topper of the class with first in class and second in class with their parents. By this, the parents felt proud on their children. The students actively participate in the co-curricular activities like Balasabha, dance, drawing, games and many more activities where they performance at district level, state level. Due to this activity, we have a lot of confidence. We acknowledge the contribution of dedicated staff for all these achievements. Small daily improvement bring revolutionary result. From last 4 years, we have been way of success to achieve curricular and co-curricular activities. We, the students of ZPHS Patipaka, not only in academic, in branches of sports, we have touched national level game. The best student for better tomorrow is the motto of our school. Hope it reaches to the goal. Thank you.